AI has the power to significantly impact individuals, communities, and society as a whole. It's imperative to ensure that this impact is positive, ethical, and beneficial for everyone. AI models are trained on data, and that data can contain biases. If not addressed, these biases can lead to discriminatory or unfair outcomes. Trustworthy AI focuses on creating models that are fair and unbiased. Trustworthy AI models refer to AI systems that are developed, deployed, and operated in a manner that ensures they are reliable, ethical, transparent, and fair. Trustworthy AI models are designed to minimize bias, ensure accountability, protect privacy, and prioritize safety and security. Number one is explainability. Explainability refers to the ability of an AI system to provide understandable explanations or justifications for its decisions or predictions. So let's take an example. I go to a chatbot and tell these systems, I have fever, I have body ache, and I am sneezing. What reply you will expect? A doctor who has expertise in medicine will say it's viral fever and will suggest paracetamol or medicines like this. What they are not going to say is you have a stomach infection. It would be an example of an unexplainable AI. Here, note that domain expert does not have to be a technology expert. They should be expert in that domain of knowledge. Explainability not only promotes trust in AI systems but also aids in identifying biases, errors, and potential risks associated with model predictions. Number two is fairness. AI should not be biased towards or against any particular population or any particular group. Fairness ensures that AI systems treat all individuals and groups equitably without bias or discrimination. Why fairness matters in AI? AI models are trained on data, and if that data contains biases, the AI model will learn and perpetuate those biases. This can lead to unfair outcomes. For example, an AI system used for loan approvals might unfair reject loan applications from certain demographics. A facial recognition system might be less accurate in identifying people of color. Third principle of trustworthy AI is transparency. In transparency, what we are trying to get here is we don't want a black box, a system that just says trust me because we don't know if it can trust it or not. We need to be able to verify. Then we can trust. So, what I need is a transparent box, a box I can see into. Creating a transparent and trustworthy AI model involves data transparency, algorithm transparency, and ethical considerations. Explain the algorithms and techniques used in the model in a way that is understandable to non experts. Avoid using overly complex or opaque methods that are difficult to interpret. Take into account ethical considerations and potential societal impacts when designing and deploying AI models. We must know where the model came from and where the data came from. It will give us more confidence from a technical standpoint. Fourth principle of trustworthy AI is robustness. The trustworthy AI model should remain true to itself. It shouldn't be able to compromise by outsiders who have malicious intent. Robust AI models are designed to perform well even in unexpected situations. This means they can handle variations in data and unforeseen circumstances. The trustworthy AI model never allow an attacker to create unforeseen circumstances. We need to be able to repel those attacks. Make sure that they can't poison the data or steal the model. Make sure that this system will continue to work. With the help of high quality data and regularization techniques, we can build robust AI models. Fifth pillar of trustworthy AI is privacy. Trustworthy AI model involves handling sensitive data in a manner that respects users' privacy rights and maintains their trust. It should be ensured that what goes in the chatbot stays in the chatbot and it doesn't get shared with everyone else. So, for instance, we don't want a case where your data is our business model. We want a case where your data is your data. We don't want the chatbot spying on you or the information you put into it going out and being shared with the rest of the world. Ultimately, trustworthy AI models aim to build confidence among users, stakeholders, and society at large in the capabilities and impact of artificial intelligence technologies.